in today's video,
we're going to be doing the last FIDGETS!
So before we get this awesome video started, have you guys subscribed?
No.
Alright, we'll give you 5 seconds.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1!
You guys have better subscribe.
Yeah.
And turn on notifications. And give this video a big thumbs up. That the screen is
Smash!
And
So yeah,
that's
we all have our fidgets and we're just playing them.
we're gonna be doing a spinning wheel to see who gets what fidgets. And we also have a few dares that we're gonna involve in this challenge.
Whoever loses.
So yeah,
Has it.
so whoever loses is gonna have to do the dare. And
Hello.
without further ado,
Let's get started!
So this is our collection of puppets and fidgets, I guess. And we're gonna be spinning a spinning wheel to see which person gets what fidget. And here we have a spinning wheel. It has big poppets, medium poppets, shape poppets, circle poppets, square poppets, spinners, wacky tracks, and simple dimple to see who gets what fidget. So we're gonna be doing youngest to oldest. So of course Bella's gonna go first.
Yeah.
So we're gonna spin the
I
wheel.
want the dibble so bad.
Yeah.
No, I want the dibble. I want the dibble.
Okay, so Bella's gonna get a square poppets.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right, she got it.
Can it be my turn to spin?
Okay.
Sorry.
All right. I'm gonna spin it for you guys, and you guys are gonna choose.
Okay, I'm gonna put it in because I'm gonna pick my.
Let's see what Alexa get.
I want the keyboard.
We're already playing with fidgets.
Circle poppet.
Circle poppet.
5, 4,
That's one.
3.
Okay.
It's the time. It looks like a
You gotta
sunset.
play fidgets over here so they don't get mixed up.
Next is
Everybody
Pablo.
play fidgets. Play fidgets everywhere so they don't get mixed up.
I get.
I wanted them
But it's not get mixed up.
Okay,
Wacky track. 5,
4, 3.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
Next is my turn. Hopefully, I get a simple dimple because I love simple.
No, I'm supposed to get that one.
play fidgets over here. Okay.
This is mine.
I get a shape poppet.
5, 4, 3.
I choose this one.
Oh, she got that one.
Okay, next is Bella.
You can spin it.
Let's see what you get, Bella.
Mine is
Yeah.
right there.
Do not jump on the bed, so go from the side.
Yeah.
Simple dimple. Oh no, wait, no. Never mind. Big poppet.
No.
Which one do you want?
5,
The dinosaur,
4,
the apple, or that one?
3,
Put it up.
2,
Okay.
Dinosaur one it is.
She got the dinosaur one.
Okay.
Okay, try not to jump on the bed, guys, or else we're gonna mess up all the fidgets.
Yeah.
Next is Alexa's turn. Let's see what you get, Alexa.
I want the dibble so bad.
Okay.
What is it?
Big poppet.
5, 4.
Oh, she want that?
All right.
I got the big humongous
She
puppet.
got the big, huge puppet. Next is Pablo's turn.
An angle. Whoa, this looks like a skirt.
Circle puppet. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, on time.
I was
My
10
turn.
minutes before
Let's see what I get.
Okay. Whose turn is it?
I got a square puppet.
Oh, okay, you got it quick.
I got this blue one.
Come on,
Wait.
Come on.
All right. Bella's turn again.
Go, come on, Bella.
Let's see what Bella gets.
Come on.
A spinner. What's
5, 4, 3.
Oh, she got it.
Okay.
Let the play fidgets over here, Bella.
Next is Alexa's turn.
I'm gonna be in the middle to pick one.
What'd you get?
Big puppet.
5.
4.
Apple.
Oh, she
She
got a
was
big
getting
apple.
big
I
one.
know. Next is okay. Pablo's turn.
Okay. I want the simple dimple.
Medium puppet.
Medium puppet.
5, 4, 3, All right.
Oh, I got it.
Next is my turn.
Okay, Vivian's turn.
Let's see what I get. Square puppet.
Five.
Wait.
Oh,
We don't have any more square puppets, so we're gonna remove it, and I'm gonna spin again. Let's see what I get. Hopefully, I get a simple dimple. A spinner.
Oh.
Yay! I get
You
a
got
spinner.
it in 1 second.
Okay.
My turn?
There
On
we
the
go.
Bella's turn.
Okay, now
I
it's
want to spin it.
Bella's turn.
Let's see. So what you get?
Big puppet.
Oh, there's no more.
The unicorn one.
Oh, 5, 4, 3. No, you can only get the big unicorns.
2, 1. No, Bella.
No, Bella, you lost.
You lost.
Let's give her one more chance.
Okay, one more chance.
I
You can
feel
only
bad.
get this one. Come on.
Yeah, you got that one.
Ah.
All right. Next is Alexa's turn.
Okay, let's see what I get.
Alexa is going
Nipple.
medium puppet.
Good.
You get the game, the Among Us, or the keyboard.
The-
5, 4, 3. She got the Among Us.
Can I get the keyboard?
You already got the Among Us.
No!
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Next to spin is Pablo. Here we go.
Okay.
This is my spot.
Wacky track.
Wacky track.
Wait, before you spin, don't spin. Oh, I got a wacky track. Wait, let me.
My turn.
Even today.
See what I get. Hopefully, I get a simple dimple.
No, that's my turn.
Okay.
Guys,
Okay.
I got a simple dimple. Yay! I really wanted a simple dimple.
That was what I wanted.
Sorry, I got a simple dimple.
Stop it. Get some help.
Let's see what you get, Bella.
Let's see.
Let's see. You got a
No.
medium puppet.
Only got the
4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, she got it. She got it.
Yeah! Show them what you got, Bella.
What do we got? Oh, let's go.
Okay.
Alexa's so
Bella
sad.
got it.
She wanted it, but it's okay. We can get the next one.
You get another turn. So now we're gonna remove some things that we don't.
Here, we can over there.
So we are going to add a twist to the spinning wheel,
See, you got
That's
Vivian.
and
You got.
So that means there's only this fidget. This fidget.
all right. Next turn to spin is Alexa.
Well, let's.
Father, I think it's something good.
Hi.
Okay.
Only these fidgets.
See.
You got a
No, I didn't.
wacky track.
Spin yet! I spin it for you.
Wacky track. There's only one wacky track.
Oh, that's
Okay, so that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's only
Walk
9.
the track away.
All right. Next is Pablo.
Okay.
Beat you.
Let's see what Pablo
There's
gets.
no more wacky tracks.
Oh, no more wacky tracks.
We
All
can
right.
erase
So
it.
we're gonna remove wacky
Let's
tracks from the
erase it.
spinning wheel.
Let's erase it.
Let's see. My turn. Let's see what I get.
The Bella's face. Oh.
No, it's my turn.
Yes, it is my turn.
Just that other turn.
Circle puppet. I choose.
5, 4, it's mine.
Yeah.
Okay, my turn. I'm turn.
Next is Bella's turn again.
Console.
Hi, Bella.
Why Bella?
Because I just went. We'll start over. It's Bella's turn. Spin Bella.
Stop it. Get some help.
Wait, what?
She's like, oh.
Where's Vin?
Circle puppet. 5, 4, 3, 2. Circle.
No.
Give it to me. You can't get that.
Look, wait.
All right. It's Alexa's turn.
Okay, I want to spin it.
Let's spin it for me. I spin it for you.
I spin it for you.
Okay, take it. I want the star.
So there's no more.
Oh, we don't have any more circle puppets.
Can I go again?
Yeah, you have to spin again.
Let's actually spin it again. Oh wait, we
Okay.
let's spin it.
Okay, me. See what I get?
Nothing.
She got nothing. Yeah, it's
Pablo's turn.
My turn. My turn.
Why is this happening to me? No.
Medium size puppet. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. My turn. I get the turn.
No. I want the.
I hope I get something good because I have a good fidget, I guess. Oh, we don't have any more simple dimple, so I'm going to take that out and spin again. All right.
Let's get this one.
I get a...
Start.
Ooh, we don't have any more circle poppets.
No.
Okay, so I have to spin again. Let's see.
See, you got 41. Let's
Nothing!
My turn.
It's Bella's turn. Now
It's my
it's
turn.
Pablo's turn.
Where are my collection is? Come on.
I have to give them back. What if I give them back?
No! Give one back.
Give it to me.
You have to give one of your fidgets back to the store.
Oh.
Okay, he gave up his wacky track.
Good thing it was not me.
So now we're gonna
wacky
we have to add a wacky track.
Why did you leave one back?
Alright, now it's my turn. The camera kind of fell. Pablo's turn. Okay, so we have to remove wacky track and add another one.
What if I leave one back again?
I don't know.
I have two wacky tracks.
Give one back.
I'm lucky. I'm lucky.
No. Give one back, Pablo.
No, why? No.
Give them wacky track.
Again?
I want puppets.
I'm gonna get caught.
Pablo's turn.
I want that.
No.
Give one back. No. You have to give one back, Pablo.
Almost crying tears. Look at.
Oh wait,
I'll give away.
What? What are you gonna give?
Give one.
We're gonna do it again because Alexa didn't let down her. Pablo, what are you gonna give?
I get what? No, wait. Why are you filming this? I'm gonna have nothing by the end of the day, Vivian. Stop it.
Okay, this is my Poppy's blue. Alexa's this faded Poppy, but I got it. I love this baby Poppy. I like it so much. And now the other one. Simple Dimple. It's colorful. It has yellow, orange, red, and blue, and another blue. And by the way, wacky track. Now another one. The door in the dark one. Now, so now keep a puppet. I like to squish it and eat it, puppet. And this one, so cool. I can move ahead, but it's like this one. Now pop on the legs. And another monkey track. Bye, guys!
So the pictures are gone. I have to leave all of them back, so it's not fair. But I got this one. It comes with dice, and you get to roll it, and it's actually really fun. I'm not gonna trade this one once we play picture trading. And I also have the circle soccer one, and this triceratops little one. I mean, nothing is better than this. So no, actually, this is better than nothing. Sorry, but yeah, let's go show Beyond's fidgets.
So this is my fidget haul. I got my favorite, a simple dimple. You guys don't even know how much I wanted the simple dimple. I got a wacky track. I think I like wacky track. I got a green fidget spinner, a square dark blue poppet, a pineapple poppet, which is my favorite because this one pops really good. And also this one. This is one of the good quality dinosaur poppets. I got a blue and green circle poppet and a medium-sized rainbow square poppet. That's it.
Guys, so now it's time to do me and Bella fidget trading. Bella, I will trade you this dinosaur blue puppet. Sorry, you're gonna have to add.
Bella, do you want to add? Or no?
No.
Okay, then press the X. Hey, take back your fidgets.
I'm gonna trade you this Among Us Poppet for the keyboard. That's so cool, thank you. This is even more bigger, so you're gonna have to add.
You don't want to trade?
Nope,
Okay,
nothing.
then take back your fidgets.
I wanna guess what I'm gonna trade you. I'm gonna trade you the big apple, and it has to be for the keyboard. Except,
Okay, Bella, you get the apple.
I'm gonna trade you this. You're gonna have to add. I already add you. No, add something.
Okay, then Bella, press the X.
No.
Okay, take back your fidgets and try to trade something else, girls.
This one.
Okay. Put it on the mat.
You give me that. I will give you.
I'm still playing with fidgets.
I'll give you
And me too, guys.
Among Us, but you're gonna have to act. This is even more bigger.
Still playing with my fidget.
Do you want to trade? Press the check.
I just want to.
Okay, Bella, you get the Among Us. Okay, you don't want to? Okay, next one then.
Unicorn big puppet. Oh, look, the same. Except.
Accept.
Except that's the same thing.
All right, girls. Thank you for fidget trading.
Bye.
And,
All right, me and Pablo are gonna.
I'm still playing with fidget, but just at the top.
Yeah, me and
I'm
Pablo
playing with
are
my
still playing with fidgets. We have to play with fidgets on the other.
And so,
We're playing with our other hand, so you guys can see.
Me and Bella are gonna wait.
Yeah, you and Alexa and Bella over there playing fidgets. We're making sure.
yeah.
We're still
And then
playing with
we're
our puppet. I'm gonna trade you. You go first.
Okay, I'll offer you this soccer puppet.
Soccer puppet. I'm gonna give you the circle one. Why am I gonna add?
Add just one more, I can check it and then.
All right, you. My turn.
Yeah,
I'm gonna give you a wacky shot.
I'll give you the circle puppet. Well, like I have a little thing. I got a fidget.
I don't think that's a good deal. And I'm gonna add this pineapple puppet. Guys, so we're still playing with our fidgets,
I'm playing with the blue dinosaur.
and we're gonna give a pause to the fidget trading because we're gonna be going to
Chick-fil-A!
So we'll keep you guys updated. We're still gonna be playing. So we're currently in the car going to Chick-fil-A. They're still playing with their fidgets.
Yeah.
I still have my simple dimple here.
I have my dinosaur fidget.
But our baby.
Yeah, so they're all still playing with fidgets. So we'll keep you guys updated once we get to Chick-fil-A.
So
We're eating Chick-fil-A while playing with our fidgets. So yeah,
this is kind of crazy. Yeah.
Dallas is working in the background.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so we're currently still eating Chick-fil-A. We're still eating
I'm
Chick-fil-A.
drinking my Chick-fil-A.
Ah, the camera fell. Alright, we're still eating Chick-fil-A. We're still playing with our fidgets.
Chick-fil-A macaroni.
Chick-fil-A macaroni. Pablo and Bella are still playing with their fidgets. So we'll keep you guys updated when we're done eating. So, since you guys saw in the last clips, something happened. Me, Alexa, and Bella stopped playing with our fidgets.
Because Alexa was actually showing the camera something, and then
And she
Alexa
let down her
stopped,
fidget.
and she
And
started
I
crying.
was recording.
We can show you the clip when she was crying.
I was recording, and I accidentally let down my simple dimple. I left it down.
And Bella was actually paying attention to the camera instead of playing.
Bella was not paying attention to the camera, so me, Alexa, and Bella lost.
And
But maybe.
Alexa.
It's okay, Alexa. It's okay.
Maybe guys, comment down below some challenges that we can do so Alexa can win. Some easy ones.
Comment down below some new challenges that we can do that maybe Alexa might win.
Yeah.
So that was it for today. We also need to tell you guys that Pablo has a YouTube channel.
By myself and Alexa and Bella have their YouTube channel by themselves too.
His channel is gonna be put it right here.
Right there.
Pablo's Adventures. PABLO''S. And then Adventures.
Yeah.
And then theirs is Alexa's and Bella's
Playhouse.
So don't forget to subscribe to their channel, subscribe to this channel, and
And
give
to
all
my
the
channel.
videos and this video a big thumbs up.
Subscribe to Peanut's channel.
He doesn't have a channel.
But yeah, so you guys, thank you so much for watching our first ever YouTube video. Please be so supportive and leave nice comments, give likes, and tell all your friends about our channel. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the Insane.
So yeah, if you guys want more videos, hit the subscribe button.
Bye.